These are the components for NEMA Type 6P submersion testing of the BODYLight. The light head and canister are assembled. Contact points are in place on the light head. The battery canister is left empty so that we can confirm if any water ingresses through the seals once assembled. The assembled BODYLight, glass window in place, all gaskets and battery canister screwed onto the light head. This is our pressure vessel. It is filled with water so that we can do a Type 6P NEMA test. We're going to lower the BODYLight into the vessel with the water. We'll submerge it and seal up the vessel. Okay, we'll take it and pressurize the system. Approximately just over 110 psi. And we will leave it like this for 24 hours. And come back and confirm whether or not water ingressed into the system. Okay, we're going to bleed off the system now. Just over 110 psi. So we just got the lid off. Let's take it out here. Okay. How does it look? Appears dry. Let's go blow it off and we'll take a look inside. Okay. Anything in the windows? I see no water. Okay, let's unscrew it, take a look inside the canister. And this was at about 110 psi, which is equivalent to about 220, 230 feet below water. Completely dry. All right.